Starting up the sewing, you would like to wash the client's hair with shampoo and conditioner so that the hair won't be itchy after sewing in the weaves.
I went from Ellie Hansen to many mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing, jars from brain through my circumstances, but you know.
So I already cornrowed her hair, and while cornrolling the hair, I decided to add little extension just so that the hair can be able to withstand the pressure of needle and thread. And this hairstyle is a side part. For this style, I'm using Xpression Bounce in color 1, that's at the back, and in front we'll be using Yankee Flip, Xpression Yankee Flip. For the last tip of the hair, I'm just using, that's the last tip of the cornrow, I'm using needle and thread to just hide it like so. I also want to say that adding extension or attachment to the hair while cornrolling is very important, and it can be used on both long hair and short hair. This is so that the hair will be very firm, and also so that the hair can withstand the pressure of needle and thread. Also for the fact that you do not want the hair to be loosening while you are sewing in. Since we aren't using frontal for the bridal hair, I decided to just leave out some part of her hair that's in front. I just left little portion in front, the side, the front most especially, and just so that after installing the weave on, it will look, or the hair will come out looking natural. Like I mentioned in the previous videos, the most synthetic hairs usually comes in single wave, while human hairs usually comes in double wave. But in this case is totally different. So I have about 3 different hairs right here. I have Bounce, Xpression Bounce, and also Xpression Yankee. Xpression Bounce and Xpression Yankee are all synthetic hair. Okay, back to the normal point I was trying to raise. The first hair I'm about to do, first wave I'm showing you guys now, it is synthetic hair. It's Xpression Yankee Flip, and it's a single wave. So like you guys can see, this is the front and this is the back. It's a single wave, while the Xpression Bounce, which is also a synthetic hair, is doubled. So I'm using a razor now, a razor blade, to just open up the wave so that you guys can see that it's actually doubled, and it's also a synthetic hair. So moving on, it's a human hair which usually comes in double waves. So meaning that double or single wave does not classify that the hair is human hair. It can also be synthetic hair and still be doubled wave. Hope you guys understand the point I'm trying to raise. This is the needle I usually use. I'm so comfortable using this needle. This is the thread I always use. It's a black thread, so any black thread will also do. Yes, you just want to fold the thread into 2 and then pass it through the needle like so, and then bring it out from the other side of the needle, making it like 4 strands of thread. After passing the thread through the needle and measuring it down to the tip, you just want to like go ahead to tie the knot of the tip so that when you are sewing in, it won't get to like losing. Okay, for the first stitching of the weave, just push the needle through the weft of the hair first before taking it to the cornrow, and then push it through the cornrow and bring it out from the other part of the cornrow, and then drag the needle and thread out. You will have to run the needle and thread more than once just so that you secure that part of the weave. That's when you are starting up, so that it will hold firm. To start off the sewing, it's usually very important to start underneath the cornrow, just so that when you are styling it, to give you that flawless look or a seamless look. Dragging the needle out, it tends to like form a loop. Just take between the opening of the loop like twice, pass it through it twice, and then drag it out to tie the knot so that the hair will be firm. Let's do it again. Just push the needle and the thread through both the weft of the hair and the cornrow, and then bring it out from the other part of the cornrow to actually form a loop. Then pass the needle through that loop like twice so that it will kind of tie the knot. When you are dragging the thread out, use your hands to push both the needle and the cornrow so that the knot will be tied firm. Go ahead to do this twice or 3 more times so that you get a better understanding. Okay, we'll continue sewing this way until I get to the end of this line. Because of the double web, is always difficult for installation, and especially when it's like turnover method, because most clients do not want you to, or do not want us to like cut their weft into different pieces for installation. So it's always advisable to do the turnover method. So in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to properly do the turnover method, even if you are using like a double weft or a single weft. We really like you guys to pay full attention to this video, carefully watch the video, because you will learn one or two things from this video. It's a bridal hairstyle, and you know, explaining styling or explaining hairstyling is sometimes difficult, so it's very good for you to just pay attention, especially when you're learning. But it's not all bridal hairstyle that you have to install the hair like
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Of the needle first, and then use the thread and tie a knot like twice or 3 times before you completely
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in my
Xpression Yankee flip. This is because I just want to add little color to the hair and also make the hair, I do not want the hair to look synthetic, so you guys just continue to watch to see how I'm going to transform the hair. You won't even tell that this hair is synthetic hair at the end of the day. I'm sewing the hair, I'm kind of sewing it in a U shape, so just watch. Okay, now for the last weave on, you can decide to just go ahead to cut the weave on or do the turnover method. But for me right now, I'm going to be doing the turnover method, but I would advise you, if you're a beginner, that you should do the cutting method because it's much easier and it will give you a better result, a flat look in front. You do not want any bumps in front. So but for me, since I already know how to go about it, I'm just going to be doing the turnover method. For the cutting method, I'm just going to explain it here. The cutting method, when you get to the end, you just cut the excess weave on and then try to stitch the remaining part of the weave on.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Because it encourages us to film more videos for you guys. Give the video a big thumbs up. I want to see your comments. Just leave a comment in the comment section and just let me know if you can tell that this hair is a synthetic hair. Let me know in the comment section as well. And yeah, give the video a big thumbs up and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.